The Arab League, also known as the League of Arab States, comprises North Africa, the Horn of Africa, and the Middle East. Its primary goal is to unite Arab nations and collaborate in various areas, such as politics, economics, education, and defense. Established in 1945 by Egypt, Iraq, and other Arab countries, the League's actual foundation can be traced back to an earlier idea conceived several years before. Egypt served as the permanent home, with meetings hosted in successive years. Currently, the Arab League comprises 22 member countries, including suspended members like Syria in 2011 due to unrest. The League's objectives include reinforcing bonds among member states, coordinating political plans and foreign policies, safeguarding national autonomy and sovereignty, promoting economic cooperation, and developing education and culture within the region. In summation, the Arab League consists of key boards, including one Council of the League, where decisions are made by representatives of member states, 2 General Secretariat, responsible for organizational and administrative duties, with the Secretary-General in charge, 3 Specialized Councils, focusing on education, economics, health, communication, and security, 4 Economic and Social Council, manages joint development projects and economic cooperation. If you have any questions or need help, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll be more than happy to assist you.